Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Kellie Pickler, country singer, TV host, and Kansas's big-hearted performer. After a lot of heartbreak and time out of the spotlight, people want to know, where is Kellie Pickler now? Let's break it all down. Kellie Pickler first came into public view in 2006 on American Idol, finishing 6th. Over the years, she built a music career with hits like Red High Heels, moved into hosting shows, and even co-starred in a reality series. She married songwriter Kyle Jacobs in 2011. He worked with many major country artists. Pickler has always had a voice that resonated with fans because of her sincerity both in music and in life. In February 2023, Kellie's husband Kyle Jacobs died by suicide. It was a deeply painful loss, and for a while, Kellie remained mostly out of the public eye. She eventually listed the large Nashville home they shared, a Tudor-style mansion in Green Hills, and by mid-2024, she had sold it. She's also slowly begun to return to performing. In April 2024, she took the stage for the first time since Kyle's death at a tribute concert for Patsy Cline. She performed a song she and Kyle had written together, "The Woman I Am," and visibly acknowledged the emotional weight of the moment. Where is Kellie Pickler now? As of now, Kellie Pickler is working through grief but pushing forward. She's no longer living in the home she shared with her late husband, having sold it in 2024. She has returned to live performance, taking part in tribute events, and stepping back into music. Personal updates show she's focused on healing, being with family, and recovering her creative voice, rather than chasing the spotlight as fast as before. Kellie Pickler's story isn't just about country music success, it's also about loss, courage, and finding strength in vulnerability. Her return to the stage shows how she's honoring her past, while slowly moving forward. Whether she comes back with new albums or tours, one thing seems clear: she's choosing what feels right for her heart.